everyone. My name is Asina and you can call me Asina. My friends, my family also call me Asina too. I am a third year student in English Literature and Marketing at University Kristen Indonesia. Okay. Since I first start college, I feel that my major has a lot of potential in its fields. My knowledge of language has also grown very widely, even though at the beginning I struggled about to start speaking and using English. And at first, I feel a bit nervous to speak a foreign language because I didn't have confidence in my abilities. However, over time I start to listen music or listening podcasts to be more confident and trying to interact in English in my daily life. And yeah, I began to listen podcasts more often to speak with my friends using English, which really helped improve my skills. I believe that speaking and writing in English is not just about vocabulary or grammar, but also how we can express ideas and feeling clearly. And this major, English literature, I also learned a lot about literature, culture, and the history of English-speaking countries. Reading classes and modern literary works by famous writers give me a deeper perspective on how language and stories can shape our view of the world. Yes, during my studies, I always participate in various language and literature activities, one of which was a theater performance. In the theater, I was involved in drama performance that allowed me to not only use English but also deepen my understanding to self-expression and non-verbal communication. Taking the audience and interaction with the others or on stage gave me valuable experience in public speaking. Additionally, I also become part of organizing committee for the Youth Docent event, which is an event aimed to introducing the culture and language of Asian countries. The event includes many competitions such as monologues, e-sport, singing, and the others. And I learned a lot about teamwork and how to communicate effectively with people from different backgrounds. Aside from campus activities, I often watch movies or reading books in English to expand my vocabulary and improve my understanding of cultural context. Movies from various English-speaking countries often offer a broad view of the country's social, political, and even historical life. By watching film, I not only learn about language, but I also learn the culture, value, and ways of life. And during my college years, I also worked a part-time as a waitress and extracurricular teacher. Being a waitress at the restaurant gave me the chance to communicate with people from various backgrounds, and of course, I improved my speaking English in English as many foreign customers come in. Meanwhile, teaching extracurricular classes at the middle also give me value experience. This job is not directly related to my major, right? I learned a lot about how to teach, especially understanding student needs and tackle challenges in teaching. Teaching middle school students is not easy, guys. They have different ways of learning, and I have to be creative in presenting the material to keep them enjoyed. And the addition, this part-time job gave me the opportunity to earn money on my own. I feel very independent because I can help cover my personal expense and also assist my parents a little. Of course, working while studying is not easy, but this experience made me how to manage my time well, balancing studies and work too. With all this experience, I'm very grateful to have chosen a major because that not only sharpened my language skill, but also opened my opportunities to understanding the world in a broader and deeper way. I see language as a very powerful tool to connect people, build cross-cultural understanding, and even influence social change. I hope in the future I can continue to develop my language skill and knowledge and contribute to the fields I am passionate about, whether in education, translation, and even international communication. I think that's all from me. Thank you guys.